So, I decided to try something a bit ambitious, getting the Fujifilm X-App to run natively on my Arch Linux setup using Waydroid. I really wanted to see if I could bridge the gap between my Fujifilm X-T5 and my desktop environment without relying on a smartphone.
You keep running back again.
The installation itself was a journey. I had to manually handle the split APKs using the package manager shell and set up a session-based install. Since I'm running a powerful Ryzen 9 CPU, I also had to inject libndk, a translation layer, just to get the ARM-based app to speak the same language as my x86 processor. And it actually worked. Well, the app opened. I managed to get a crisp icon in my KDE Plasma menu. The interface was smooth, and it felt like a native Linux app. But then, I hit the inevitable wall that every Waydroid user eventually faces: the Bluetooth connection. The Fujifilm X-App relies heavily on Bluetooth Low Energy to wake up the camera and hand off the Wi-Fi credentials. Unfortunately, Waydroid operates in a container that doesn't have direct access to the PC's Bluetooth hardware. I tried everything forcing Bluetooth properties, enabling fake Wi-Fi flags, even messing with kernel modules. In the end, despite all the terminal commands and desperate workarounds, the app remained stuck on the connecting screen. It's a classic case of software working perfectly but being cut off from the physical hardware it needs to talk to. It was a great experiment in Linux tinkering, but for now, the cable or the camera to cloud feature remains the only way to go. If you've found a way to bypass the Bluetooth hurdle on Waydroid, let me know.